Explore the beauty of pergolas, where nature meets elegant design. These graceful structures, with open pillars and climbing vines, create peaceful retreats in gardens and parks. Pergolas aren't just shelters. They're symbols of calm and skilled craftsmanship. Their simple yet strong design blends seamlessly with their surroundings, offering shade and inviting spots to relax. In the gentle light and shade under their roofs, pergolas bring a sense of peace. They're places to unwind and reconnect with nature's rhythms, away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether made from classic wood or modern metal, pergolas enhance any outdoor space. Covered in plants that change with the seasons, they create a living artwork that grows over time. From small gatherings to quiet moments alone, pergolas provide spaces to enjoy life's simple pleasures and the beauty of the outdoors. Join us as we discover the timeless appeal and practical elegance of pergolas. A testament to thoughtful design and the peacefulness they bring to outdoor living.